Hello!
Welcome back!
Hi guys!
To another Unprepared Travelers update.
We saw 3 national parks, 1, 2, 3.
Visited the best lake in the world.
And had an OG fast food. We started the week
Welcome to Cali.
back in California, which means
It's happened. It's really happened. The lower 48 are done complete.
it only took us 14 months. We started California, reliving the best memories ever.
To the tranquil beauty of Lake Tahoe.
I have been waiting for Lake Tahoe.
8 years ago when we were bussing around America, we stopped in this place and fell in love with it. Now we're grown up in our own vehicle. That's the journey of life. This time we decided to explore it good and proper. We did the Rubicon Trail.
A stunning hike around the lake.
She's a pioneer looking out at her environment. Gotta love washing your face with Mother Nature's fresh juices.
Through a forest, we got to this cool old castle.
Designed back in the 1800s and based off of antique drawings. Really fairy tale-esque.
It's very Snow White. Jim was actually going to propose to me at Lake Tahoe.
Saved it for Disneyland though.
Yeah, so much better!
On that hike we got to see the highest elevation lighthouse.
Yeah, in the world.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare, no!
Fun fact, it's also a time machine.
What a ride! Oh my god, you're gonna die in 3 days.
As beautiful as Lake Tahoe was during the day,
I was just having a nice deep dream. Now,
in the middle of the night, I hate that sound!
Sheriff's Department.
to Safeway.
Second night, parked at a casino,
Fucking night 2 in Tahoe.
and in the middle of the night, again.
Stop
Brings
it,
back
stop it.
awful
It's-
memories.
It's traumatic.
We found the jackpot. Look at all this van life here.
Wait, I need to pee.
It ain't easy being a bum. Bad sleep will make you crave some bad food, so it was fitting that we hit up the very first A&W.
A&W is known for their root beer floats, which obviously we had to get.
Fun fact, this is one of the only A&Ws in America that still make the root beer on site. A&W actually invented bacon on a cheeseburger.
We don't have A&W in Australia. The burgers, top notch.
Yeah, and I'm not the biggest fan of root beer, but when you mix it with ice cream, it's sort of fabulous. And obviously back in California, there is a plethora of Trader Joe's is cheap and healthy. He has everything you need.
We just did a shop at Trader Joe's and only spent $30 for all of this.
So shop at Trader Joe's. If I lived here, I would work there.
Gotta get a t-shirt before we go. Into the very first national park in America.
Yosemite. We've been waiting for this one. A few people have been waiting.
Have you been to Yosemite yet? No, we haven't been. What's the big fucking deal? But we get the big
Oh
fucking
my
deal.
god, we get it.
This national park is like waterfall after waterfall.
Rushing river after rushing river.
Epic cliff face after epic cliff face.
Incredible hikes. We did
Yeah.
this awesome hike along a lot of steps up,
And Carly's favourite.
up a cliff face, right by this waterfall, where you just get shucked in the face with water. Beautiful.
There's something about this national park. I think it's my favourite national park.
Is it?
Nice.
Oh, that's a big call!
That's my call.
It is known for the half dome.
We think we found it. We're not sure. It's okay, we weren't there for the half dome. We were there for the Yosemite Falls. How invigorating. Ended the beautiful day. Home is where
Homies
dinner's at. In this particular instance, it was under a waterfall in Yosemite. Meal of the week! It's been a long time coming for this one.
Welcome to the best part of the day, our breakfast bowl.
We have been doing this breakfast bowl the entire trip. Every morning we look forward to breaking our fast and eating this bowl.
Oats, millet puffs, sunflower seeds, blueberries, banana, yogurt,
Or half and half.
It's like cereal.
cinnamon.
And peanut butter.
Sort of healthy.
We love you, breakfast bowl. See you this morning.
A double header. Two
it.
national parks in one day, Kings Canyon and Sequoia.
Come with me as I take you through the General Grant Tree Trail.
Known for their giant sequoia trees.
We thought the redwoods were big. These trees are massive. So much so, they have 2 of the largest trees in the entire world.
We did a couple of really cool hikes. And during a couple of the hikes, we walked through the trees. Like one was inside a trunk.
So much room for activities.
No bear sightings though. I'm happy about it, but not happy about
Yeah.
it. Maybe in Alaska.
that was our week. We're coming toward the end of the updates in this van.
God, is this the last one?
Stay tuned because we're selling. And if you're watching and interested in buying, hit us up on our social media. Thank you very much for joining us.
Please subscribe.
Follow us on Instagram at VlahopAround. All right, until next time, Vlahop around.
Hop around.
Yeah, we're living in the back of our car.
We're cruising round every state in America with no doubt.
This is how we be traveling.
Thanks for tuning in.